you want more sales and happy repeat customers, there is something really simple you can do right now. And that simple thing is adding value. It's about helping your customers reach their goals and teaching them how to use your products so they can be effective consumers. Most people just sell a product and leave it at that. Now, you can do just a tiny bit more and stand apart from all the competition. I'm Alice Seba from eKit Hub, specializing in done-for-you business building content since 2006, in case we haven't met. But here's how. When you add value, you build a stronger connection with your existing audience and you attract new people through word of mouth and from the simple fact that people want to associate with you because of the value you offer. As a journal seller or coach, some of the ways you can add value includes teaching journaling techniques through downloadable guides, classes, live events, and more. You could create a journaling community to help build accountability for those who want to journal regularly or, give ideas and show the benefits of journaling and help each other through that. You can offer other tools and guidance to help customers develop a journaling practice. After all, the more you empower your customers to use your products, the more they'll be back to buy more. That's huge, right? So with that in mind, for a limited time, you can download this package completely free and use it to educate your audience on journaling so they can buy more of your journals and other products. The package includes a 6-page how to develop a journaling practice report. You can use it as a free offer to join your list, give it as a printed bonus with your journal products, break it up into articles or social media posts. It's totally up to you. That report comes in doc and PDF format, so you can edit it, brand it, mix it up however you'd like. There also is a complete report e-cover set with an editable flat cover so you can make any changes, branding, and things you want. Now, the professionally designed cover comes in PSD format, which is simple to edit in Photoshop. But now, if you don't have Photoshop, no problem. You can edit it using the free Photopea or GIMP editors. And then we've also included some 3D styles that you can use to promote your report. There is also the Journaling Regularly checklist, which is a great companion for the report. It'll help your customers maintain their journaling practice. You can edit it as much as you'd like, add your branding, and it also comes in doc and PDF format. So we've saved you the time and money creating the content yourself, and you can download it all for free right now. Plus, we'll keep you up to date on more done-for-you content offers. So just click the link in the description so we can deliver your free package.